Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Porsche TAYCAN Turbo S. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Excellent. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Alright, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door are in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or paint chips on either door. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. Also, the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Okay, this quarter panel is in excellent condition, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look fine. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on either door here. Now let's move on to the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look inside. First, we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. The leather looks good and the window switches are fine. Let's have a look now at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the center console. Perfect. Everything here is in good condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear on here at all. Everything is in perfect condition. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.